Okay, hello again, boys and girls. We're going to be going over our math lesson for this week. So we're going to be multiplying by tens, and if you guys look, this is actually going to be on page 279 through 280 of your book. So let's go ahead and get started. So we have our first example, which is Miss Rita took 20 pictures at the zoo. She printed the pictures so that each of her 25 students could have a copy. How many pictures did Miss Rita print? Okay, so we know that we need to find 25 times 20. Now we know that the number 20 is a multiple of 10. So one way that we can do this is using our properties. So we need to think of 20 not just as 20, but blank times 10. So what times 10 would give us 20? It's going to be 2. So we need to think about this as 2 times 10. So in all reality, 25 times 20 is just going to be 25 times 2 times 10. So we break this up into our parentheses. Okay, so we have our 25 here. Then we break it up in our parentheses 2 times 10. So first thing we do is 25 times 2. So we distribute the 25 to the 2 first. Okay. And then we distribute the 25 times the 10. So we know 25 times 2 is going to give us 50 right here. So then we do 50 times 10, which gives us 500. Okay, so let's look over here. Another way we can do is just doing paper and pencil. So first thing we do is we multiply the ones. All right, so we do 0 times 5, which is 0. Then we do 2 times 0, which is 0. So in our ones place here, we're going to have a 0. Now we need to multiply the tens next. So we have our 0 still here in the ones place. So we do our tens. We do 2 times 5, which is going to give us 10. Our 0 stays here, and then we know to bring our 1 up here. Then we do 2 times 2, which is 4, but we cannot forget that we have a 1 up here. So we add that 1 there, and that will also give us 500. All right, so let's go ahead and check out example number 2. Let me go put my sticky notes on here so that I can cover up this stuff. Remember, you guys, if you're struggling or I'm talking too fast, you can always stop this video and then you could rewind it. That's the good thing, at least right now, about using videos, so that you can always stop me. All right, so let's go ahead and read our next example. So it says, for example number 2, we are on page 280 right now. Whoops, let me cover that up. All right, so let me zoom in on here. So, oh my gosh, people, I tell you what, I cannot wait to go back to school. This has been such a struggle. All right, there we go. So our second example says, an electronics store has 30 digital music players in stock that cost $99 each. How much do the digital music players cost altogether? So we need to find 99 times 30. And we know that the number 30 is a multiple of 10. So first, what we need to do is we need to multiply the ones. So 0 times 99, that is going to give us 0. All right, so our 0 stays there. Now, we need to multiply the tens here, which is going to be 99 times 3. So if we do 99 times 3 right here, I will do it off in this little space right here. So we know 9 times 3, that's going to be 27. Our 7 stays here. We carry the 2. 9 times 3 again is going to be 27. But remember, you guys, we have that 2 up there, so we need to add it. So our answer is going to be 297. Now, we need to make sure that we don't forget our 0 at the end here, because that's how we multiplied our, that's what we multiplied earlier with our 1s. So if you look, our